Hello students, this is Mr. Sims, and in today's installment of lesson videos, we are going to look at finding unit rates and ratio of fractions. So finding unit rates that involve fractions. So the lesson goal would be I can find unit rates with fractions. So hit pause so you can copy down the lesson goal. Alright, now that we're back, I got three examples that I really want to model this idea of how to do this. And a lot of it is similar to what we've already been doing, but I really just want to focus on using a calculator. And how do we use a calculator to divide fractions? Because you may or may not know that. Also, disregard what I scribbled out here because I actually made a first take of the video and then realized I was doing it backwards. Ha ha ha, the favorite mistake. So anyways, let's try this problem again. Jackson eats 1/4 of a part of banana in 1/2 minute. How much time will he need to eat one full banana? So to determine this, I'm going to give you this information when you're doing this, but we want minutes over bananas. And the reason we want minutes over bananas is because we want to know what it is for one, right? And in a unit rate, and just remember this y over x from yesterday, the x has to be equal to 1. So we want one banana. Right? So we've got 1/4 of a part of banana and 1/2 of a minute. That means the 1/2 is going to go on top. The 1/4 is going to go on the bottom. And that might even look bizarre because now it looks like we have, and just let the focus come in here, a fraction over a fraction. But really this means 1/2 divided by 1/4. All right. Now, here's how you do this on the calculator. And we're going to spend some time today when we get to the practice portion of it. But I want you to take your calculator, and I would like you to do the same thing that I'm going to do. I want you to press this ABC button right above my... Oh, you can't see it. Hold on. Right there. ABC button. We're going to use that ABC button. All right, and that's how we do fractions with a calculator. So we're going to go 1 ABC 2. That's 1/2. Divided by 1 ABC 4. And we're going to hit enter, and the answer is 2. So we get 2 minutes for one banana. So it'll take us 2 minutes to eat one banana. Okay? All right, so let's move on to the next example. Mike ran 1/2 mile in each 1/7 of an hour. We want the unit rate, miles per hour. So we want miles over hours. So we got 1/2 mile, so 1/2 goes on top. We got 1/7. Okay. And then we do the division. So once again, with a calculator, okay, we're going to do 1/2 divided by 1/7. So we're going to press whole calculator. You're going to press 1, ABC 2. So you see 1/2 there. Divided by 1 ABC 7. Hit enter, and you get 3 1/2. So that's what this means 3, and this U means in 1/2. So this is 3 1/2. So 3 1/2 miles per hour. Okay. So this next one, Mary made 1/5 of a batch of cookies in 1/10 of an hour. How many batches can she make in 1 hour? So we want cookies per hour. And what I would like you to do on this one is I would like to actually see you hit pause and give it a shot. Like, give this one a try on your own, see if you can figure it out. And then once you unpause, I'll have the answer there to see if you can check on your own. All right, so go ahead and hit pause now. So now that we're back, you can see that I've already written it up. I have 1/5 cookies for 1/10 of an hour. I even wrote it as 1/5 divided by 1/10. So now on my calculator, just to review this, so I go 1/5, 1 ABC 5 divided by 1 ABC 10. Hit enter, and I get 2. 2 batches per hour. All right, so very good. All right, so now after this video, you are now going to have a review sheet or have a worksheet to practice this skill. So this is Mr. Sims signing off.